Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to hide the cursor in Camtasia Screen Recordings. First, launch Camtasia. Import the video you recorded using Camtasia Recorder. Scrub through the timeline to find a specific frame or section where you want to hide the cursor. Click on the video clip in the timeline. Look for the Properties panel, usually on the right side of the Camtasia interface. In the Properties panel, locate the cursor icon. Click on the Hide Cursor option. Play the video to preview the hidden cursor effect. Now you have successfully hidden the cursor in a specific part of your Camtasia screen recording. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.